Meta's business is still growing fast, but after a huge run, the stock has started moving sideways. Revenue was up 28% from a year ago last quarter. Meta spent more than $31 billion on capital expenditures, while free cash flow fell below $1 billion. And that's what makes the chart interesting right now. Is this just a pause inside the long-term uptrend or the start of a much bigger correction? I still see the long-term trend as up, but we are already quite far into this move. So I am watching two levels, $800 above and $415 below. Meta has been moving inside this rising channel since 2012. We are still inside, so on the monthly chart, the long-term direction is still up. Now I will add my Elliott wave count. In my current count, Meta is already in the later part of this larger rise. That doesn't mean the move has to end here. It just means the major levels matter much more now. Look at what happened after the 2022 low. Meta went from around $90 to almost $800 in only few years. Recently, price has stopped moving in almost straight up and started spending much more time sideways. This could be a pause before another move higher, or the first sign that this larger rise is getting close to completion. Right now, I don't see enough evidence to say the larger correction has already started. The main area I am watching is roughly $415 to $680. As long as Meta can stay above the lower part of this area, the larger bullish structure still looks fine to me. Then we have the previous high around $800. If Meta gets above $800 and can stay above it, I would expect the move higher to continue. Near the end of a long advance, price can sometimes accelerate and even push above the top of the channel for a while. So if Meta breaks 800, I would not treat the upper side of this channel as hard ceiling. On the downside, $415 is the first level that would make me much more cautious. If Meta drops below that area and stays there, the next large zone I would watch is around $280 to $340. Below that, there is another area around $170 to $220. And much lower, there is a large historical volume area around $85 to $125. These lower areas are not targets. If a larger correction begins, we would simply watch how price reacts at each area. For now, I'm still moderately bullish on Meta. $800 is the main level I am watching above, and 415 below. If Meta breaks 800 and holds there, I think the rise can continue. If it breaks below 415 and stays there, the picture starts to change. If either of those levels breaks, I will make a new Meta update and show you what changes from there.